Here I am taking a handful of each of these ingredients. The ingredients are wood ash, dried cow dung and old jaggery. Put all the 3 ingredients into a container. You can also use wet cow dung. Add 1 liter of water. Stir this solution very well for about 2 to 3 minutes and then keep it standing for about 5 days so that this solution gets fermented. Now this is the result after 5 days. You can see there are bubbles, which means fermentation has occurred. Now I'll be adding half liter of water into this bucket. Stir this solution and then you can add it to your plants. Add 100 to 200 ml of the solution to each plant.